350 pesos per night na traditional Nipa Hut accommodation sa Siquijor? Meron ba niyan? Tara, pag-usapan natin yan. Mayong adlaw, this is J. Perpetual Kid at tara! Let's explore Siquijor. RCM Eco Lodge is located in Barangay Sulangon, San Juan, Siquijor. Meron silang 8 identical Nipa Huts for rent. Tara, silipin natin ang isa. Each Nipa Hut has 2 single-size mattresses and with ceiling fan. To be honest, kahit tanghaling tapat at tirik na tirik ang araw, napakahangin sa loob dahil tumatagos ang malamig na mountain breeze sa mga gaps sa bamboo wall. And in case magka-brown out, you can use the Sova-powered electric fan at emergency lamp. Meron naman silang 3 common comfort rooms, each equipped with shower. Guests can also cook their own food dahil may maliit na kitchen area sa property. They also have a strong internet connection para always connected ka online. And lastly, they are a pet-friendly accommodation provided pets are strapped on a leash. And any poop will be properly disposed by the pet owner. You can book a Nipa Hut for 700 pesos per night, good for 2 guests. Kaya pumapatak na 350 pesos per night lang ang share mo pag dalawa kayo. If 3 to 4 guests naman, you can rent it at 1,000 pesos per night. An extra mattress will be provided. For bookings and inquiries, please contact them on their Facebook page. Again, this is J. Perpetual Kid and we explored an affordable Nipa Hut accommodation in Siquijor. RCM Eco Lodge. Hanggang sa susunod na biyahe, ayo-ayo!